Are you in the water? What about you, Bentley? What did you see? That's right in the water. Yay! And there's Bentley, who wants to come in the water, but decides at the last minute not to. Hey Riot, you enjoying that? Hey? Yeah, you're drinking the water. Don't go too far. Yeah. Go for it! Yay!